Hi, good morning. This is Mayur from Good for Nothing Humanity. Hope you're all doing great and taking care of yourself. Do you know, according to McKinsey 2024 report, 75% of organizations have adopted at least one AI function, which is up from 50%. According to Gartner report 2024, by 2026, at least 80% of enterprises will have AI augmented process in place. And according to Statista and PwC, AI market is predicted to be $1.3 trillion market. So these are some important data that reflect how AI is getting importance in the market. But the most important part is that, is it noise, or is it just hype, or is it real? What I mean to say real is that, is it going to benefit in the long run for the companies who are adopting AI across the organization? And the biggest question comes to CEO when talking about AI. The major discussion which is going around in the executive team is that whether they should lead or follow the AI, whether this AI is going to help them increase revenue or margin, will it help them to reduce cost, or what about the security level, and how what are the kind of responsibilities, how responsibly this AI is going to be handled or managed. They are worried about that. And the most important question for executive team is it worth discussing about the AI or not? And the reason why I'm talking about this new technology is that there's a lot of noise going around AI and how AI is going to be the next big thing. The reason why I'm talking about this is because most of the companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, which is Facebook, and a lot of other companies are investing heavily on this AI technology, thinking this is a new and the next big thing which is going to come in the future. Whether it's going to benefit or not, nobody is sure about. And companies are thinking whether they should adopt it or they should just ignore it because it's just a noise. Because some of the technologies which brings transformation, they grow quietly um, uh, until it is impossible to ignore. And this is what is happening right now with AI technology. So I don't know whether it's real or noise or hype. So do let me know how you think, or how AI is going to going to take the future. Is it noise or the next big thing? Please do leave your comments. Until then, keep punching.